Do you love to camp but dread actually setting up your campsite? My name is Kate with WTI, and that's exactly how I felt until I got this tent by Mimajor. I was shocked at how easy it was to set this up. I can confirm that you can get this set up and ready to go in less than a minute. The fact that I was able to do it myself speaks volumes. This is a fully pop up tent. Everything locks into place so easily, and it is so well made. It comes with this rain fly that kind of fits like a fitted sheet that connects down to your stakes, so it is super secure. I am so happy with the quality of this tent and just genuinely shocked at how easy it was to set it all up. You can comfortably fit two people in here. It even has pockets for your cell phone. I'm 5'5" and I was able to stand up completely in this tent, which was pretty cool. It's nice and roomy. It even has a little welcome mat for your shoes, which was a cute touch. So if you are looking to elevate your camping experience by making it just so much easier for yourself, you have got to check this out. Even the teardown was super, super simple. I love this tent. I think you will too. And that's my point of view.